Alright, we're at the subway stop here in Valencia. We've got a glass elevator and it's pretty neat. It comes down here, goes up through the ceiling. It does not go up to that level. That's not even the floor, that's just a thing that goes across, I guess. But anyway, here's the train. Here comes the elevator.
¿Ustedes van por la escalera o qué? Que no le he preguntado si va a la minuto. ¿Que vas subiendo?
¿Qué?
¿Que vas a subir?
Sí, eso está subiendo.
¿Qué es? ¿Menos 2, menos 3? Ah, vale.
Vestíbulo.
Gracias.
De nada.
Ay, gracias.
De nada.
Venga. Tú por aquí. Peladito.
Andén.
Gracias, gracias.
Take one more ride. Holy shit, this thing is slow. And busy too. I figure if I'm still waiting for the train, might as well have one more ride here. Holy shit, this thing is slow.
Vestíbulo.
Oh, there comes a whole bunch of people.
¿Te quedamos abajo?
then.
Oh my, it is going to be a busy train. Anyway. You can watch it go up. Close the doors and here it goes. I guess the people did not call it because it would be going up. Typical behavior of tourists. Just sit there without pushing the button and wait for the elevator to not come. Good job, guys. That's it.